Do you want to know how you can add your mobile number or your phone number to your Temu account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add your mobile number to your Temu account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to temu.com. As you go to temu.com, log into your account. After you log into your account, hover around your orders and profile option, which is over here. Now, what you need to do is go to account security. After you click on account security, you can see mobile phone number. Go ahead and click add and you can select your country phone code. After you select your country phone code, write down your number. After you write down your number, click submit. An OTP code will be sent to your phone. Verify it by writing it down on your screen, and then you can add a mobile phone number to your Temu account. Let me show it to you once again. Open temu.com, log into your account, hover around orders and account, and you can see account security over here. Click on it and you can see this page load up. So there is option of mobile phone number. Click add, write down your phone number after you select your country code and click submit. Write down the OTP sent to you on your phone on the screen, and then you can add mobile phone number on your Temu account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.